Hello, and welcome to our informational video about wage guarantee. My name is Rosa, and I work for Amesto. Today we will go through what the Wage Guarantee Fund is and how the entire application process works. Let's get started. So what does Amesto do? Amesto assists the bankruptcy estate's trustee in processing wage guarantee applications. When we receive applications from you, it is our responsibility to ensure that the process runs smoothly and efficiently. Once an application is received, we will contact the applicants to gather the necessary documentation. This may include payslips, employment contracts, and other relevant information that is crucial to prove what you are entitled to. It is you, the applicant under the Wage Guarantee Scheme, who are responsible for documenting your wage claims. It is important that we receive accurate and complete information so that we can calculate what you are actually entitled to. We conduct thorough calculations to ensure that the wage claims are handled correctly and fairly. The processing time is lengthy. Unfortunately, we are unable to provide regular updates to applicants throughout the process. But we encourage you to reach out to us via email or phone if you have questions regarding the status of your cases. So what does Amesto not assist with? Amesto is not able to obtain documentation on behalf of the applicants. In some cases, an employer may send Amesto documentation for all employees in connection with a bankruptcy estate. However, we cannot require documentation for individual applicants from the employer, as this would be in violation of the GDPR regulations. We only work with wage guarantees. If you have any questions about unemployment benefits, sick pay, or other benefits, you have to contact NAV directly. So what is wage guarantee? The Wage Guarantee Scheme ensures that you receive payment for unpaid wages, holiday pay, and other compensation for work you are owed when your employer is unable to pay due to bankruptcy. There are deadlines for how old a claim can be and limitations on how long a period of wage claims can be covered. If you are claiming wages during your notice period, you can receive advanced wage guarantee funds. It is essential that you apply for this benefit early, as it applies from the day you apply. You can find more information in the video about advanced wage guarantee funds and processing. Here we have a timeline of the application process. When a company goes bankrupt, it is crucial that you apply for an advance on wage guarantee funds through NAV. As soon as you have information about your employment situation during your notice period, you should submit your application for wage guarantee to Amesto. Amesto processes the application and obtains the necessary documentation from you. The applicant. Once the applications are fully processed, they are forwarded to the trustee who signs them and sends wage claims to the Wage Guarantee Department of NAV. NAV will then process the wage claims further and make a final decision. Once NAV has made their verdict, the payment will be disbursed as soon as possible. So what can be covered by NAV wage guarantee? You can receive coverage for unpaid wages before the date of bankruptcy, wages during the notice period for up to 1 month from the date of bankruptcy, as well as accrued holiday pay for the current year and the previous year, public service pensions, and overtime. The limit of up to 1 month after bankruptcy applies regardless of the notice period. Claims beyond what the Wage Guarantee Scheme covers may be partially covered by the bankruptcy estate if there are any remaining funds. There are limitations on what can be covered if you have been on sick leave or work leave. In this case, coverage extends only until the end of the employer's period. Please contact us if this is the case so we can guide you. Claims that are not documented will not be approved by the Wage Guarantee Department of NAV. Informal or verbal agreements cannot be covered. It is also not possible to cover more than twice the basic amount. We have now gone through Amesto's role and what wage guarantee is. We will go through how to apply in the next video.